Hey everybody, Dr. Brenda Whitehead here with Prof Chat Academic Coaching, and I am so glad you're here. It is Thanksgiving week, and for US college students, that means break. But how can we make sure that we use this break to set ourselves up for success once we get back on campus and that whirlwind of papers, projects, presentations begins and then dumps us right into finals week? In this video, I am sharing the top 5 mistakes that I see students make when it comes to Thanksgiving break and how to avoid those so that you can be crushing it once you get back to campus post-break. The first mistake I see too often is students staying on campus for the entire break. Ideally, of course, you are able to make a trip home to be with loved ones during the Thanksgiving holiday, but that's not always possible. So if you're one of those students that can't go home for Thanksgiving, there are a couple of options. First, see if there is a friend or roommate that you could tag along with to their Thanksgiving visit home. I actually invited one of my own friends home with me for Thanksgiving when I was in college because she was going to be stuck on campus by herself for that whole break, and that is no fun for anybody. Now, if that's not an option, see if you can find a few others who may be stuck on campus for Thanksgiving and put together a Friendsgiving. This doesn't have to be fancy, just everyone make or buy something to contribute and just have some fun. Do something different that gives your brain a break from that I'm on campus eating in the cafeteria mode. Mistake number 2, being a workaholic. So many students view Thanksgiving break as a chance to power through all of those big looming papers and projects that are due after Thanksgiving. And there is something to be said for taking some of this time and making some progress on those big assignments. But don't let yourself get sucked down that rabbit hole of spending the entire break working. Really prioritize rest so that you are in a solid headspace post-break. To do this, I recommend doing something every single day of the break that will check each of these mental health boxes. Get exercise, get outside, get quiet, or just breathe in silence, spend time with supportive others, and of course, laugh and have fun. Now, if you'd like more info on how to do all of these and why they work, definitely check out this video right up here where I walk through the 10 best ways to boost mental health and fight stress in college. Mistake number 3, partying like it's New Year's. So yes, rest, have fun, relax, but partying every night during Thanksgiving break can make it a whole lot harder to get back to the intensity of the term once you're back on campus. This is because you've likely shorted yourself on sleep, you probably haven't had the best food and drink habits, and you've likely neglected some of those key schoolwork tasks that you probably should have gotten done during the break. So the key to avoiding this one is obviously just a bit of balance. The 4th mistake I see some students making during this week is Black Friday gone wild. So there's all of this talk about student loan debt, and that is a massive conversation. But it's important to also think about the credit card debt that students also often build up during their college years. And let's face it, whether in person or online, we are constantly bombarded this week, especially with unbelievable deals. This makes it really easy to feel FOMO if we're not getting in on some of that spending spree action. So here's the way to do it. Sit down and make a list of those gifts that you actually need to buy for your holidays. And then when you're shopping, stick to that list and only that list. This will let you get in on the fun of those deals while avoiding that spending regret that often comes with this Black Friday gone wild mistake. And the final and 5th mistake, getting back to campus late. So yes, as I said in number 1, do get off campus, but please don't wait until the last moment or even after the last moment to come back to campus. Give yourself some time to get back to campus and get settled in so that you are ready to start those intense weeks that come after break. The bottom line here, find some balance this week. And of course, take a moment to get grateful for those blessings, whether they're big or small, in your life right now. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.